Welcome to Ohana Dwellings, where we bring your dream accessory dwelling unit, or ADU, to life with cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. Imagine transforming your property with one of our innovative ADU models. Explore over 50 unique ADU models designed to maximize your property's potential. Our free model visualizer app lets you visualize your chosen model in full scale, right in your yard. See how seamlessly an ADU can fit into your space before making any decisions next. Customize your ADU with our AI-powered designer. Instantly, visualize and tailor every detail to match your style and needs. From floor plans to finishes, our designer offers you unparalleled flexibility and creativity. Once you've perfected your design, submit it online for competitive pricing and expert feedback. Our advanced AI designer and smart ADU plans ensure you get the best value and advice tailored to your specific project. Choose from a variety of build options and start the pre-planning process. Whether you opt for a full-service build or a do-it-yourself kit, we've got you covered. Meet with our contractors to review your plans and finalize the details. Finally, kick off the build process with confidence. Our vetted network of contractors ensures top-quality construction, while you stay fully informed at every step. Watch your ADU come to life, from breaking ground to the finished product. Experience the future of ADU building with Ohana Dwellings.